Hello guys, good afternoon guys. Guys, I'm here now in the site. Guys, because I rescued this one driver. The driver is just only parking his truck. The truck is not shifting. So we are here now. This is the driver. This is the driver, guys. This truck is not shifting now. So I check now in the laptop for diagnostic tools. Guys, look guys, in the instrument cluster is there is a gearbox malfunction. Look guys, in the diagnostic tools guys, the fault code is code here is ECE clutch. ECE clutch. See guys, this is the fault code for the ECE clutch. The ECE clutch is 700 outside of permissible range. The ECE has internal fault which is indicated via CAN message. This is the fault code guys, and then here in the action, we go in the action. The action here is check low the ECE is fitted. Ensure that the push rod is in correct position against the lever. See guys, this is the, and here also there's one more fault code guys. This is the clutch. Clutch 40 movement, 40 clutch movement, and cause the requested clutch position does not match the measured position. And then we go to hint in the action, check the ECE is fitted correctly. Okay guys, we will check this ECE now. This ECE guys is electronic clutch actuator. This is the new model guys for the NTG truck. New model for the Scania guys. Okay guys, clutch guys. Wait Look guys, this is the ECE electronic clutch actuator guys. This is the assembly guys. This one guys. This is the clutch fluid. This one is the body of ECE control. This is the control for the ECE. This is the main. So I need to remove this one, and then I will check the push rod. The push rod is like this, coming here. I will check the push rod, and then maybe the push rod is there's a broken part inside. So I will check guys. Okay guys. Guys, I remove now the ECE, but I found this clutch pressure plate is not returned back. See guys, this clutch pressure is not returned back, stuck up. So see guys, this one guys. See guys, this one is slick, so there's a gap here. Must be this one is return back. The lining is return back here in the flywheel, because now is not the clutch is in the neutral. So see, the lining now is there's a gap here, so it means this clutch pressure guys is not returned back. Steady pulling. See guys, the main problem, guys.